I'm so thankful nga na there's somebody na, ito, si Senator, this is my first time na naanuhan. Sabi ko, oh, this is hulog ng langit. I'm so happy that there's somebody na tutulong. Salamat. Yeah, for the transportation, that's something.
We should learn to micromanage the needs of our people and bring government closer to our people.
We need a weaving area which will be called our own. Sa mga kabataan, pagpatuloy yung pag-weaving para patuloy yung inheritance natin na paghahabi.
Patuloy natin tulungan ang ating mga katutubo. Patuloy natin suportahan ang ating mga micro and small enterprises.
The passion of really helping our people in the mountain. And these are the people that can hardly send their children to school and even have food on their tables, and some of them doesn't even know how to read and write. And I'm happy also that we were given the chance of talking with you. And I'm happy now that our good senator is trying to reach us out.
Because what you're buying will go to the needs of our indigenous people. It changes their life and it preserves our culture. They are the torch bearers or the culture bearers of our rich heritage and culture. So please patronize them, buy from them.
Gumagawa rin kami ng mga assorted banban, nito, ratan, then kawayan. Pag magbenta kami sa bayan, mahirap ma'am kasi sa bundok kami. Sa ilog kami dumadaan eh. Pag maano ang ilog, di kami makadaan, di kami makababa sa bayan, di namin mabenta ang products. Nagpapasalamat kami kay Loren Garda kasi nakapunta kami dito. First time naman na sumali sa mga government agency na tumulong sa amin. Maraming salamat po.
Marami na pong assistant na nabigay sa amin ng NGOs. Pinakamalaking tulong po sa amin kay Ma'am Loren Legarda. Yung building po namin, binigay niya sa amin na 1.5 million. Weaving center po siya. Nakabuild din po kami ng 45,000 sa mga shelves. Tapos may mga grant din po ng Yolanda, DTI pa sa mga trade fair po, nakakatulong po sila sa amin. Yung kulang po namin na sasakyan, ginran na din po ni Senator Loren Legarda.
Karamihan po ng member po ng cooperative po namin ay gumagawa ng handloom weaving, brass casting, fashion accessories, bamboo crafts, and wood crafts. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Senator Loren Legarda. Nagkakaroon din kami ng mga bagong kakilala, bagong mga buyers.
Talagang ina-assist na ng gobyerno ang ating mga micro and small and medium enterprises, for after all, they are 99% of our economy. Sila ang backbone